To remove the hard drive, first remove the side cover, the front panel, the optical drive, the system fan, detach the power and data connectors from the rear of the hard drive. Remove the 4 screws securing the drive cage assembly to the PC, 1 inside on top and 3 on the front of the PC. Slide the drive cage down and pull the assembly out from inside the unit. The hard drive is secured to the drive cage by 4 screws, 2 on each side. Remove the screws. Slide the hard drive out of the drive cage assembly. To install a hard drive, slide the drive into the cage so that the connector edge of the drive is on the side of the cage with the optical drive retaining latch. Align the screw holes on the drive with the screw holes on the drive cage. Attach 2 screws on each side to secure the hard drive. Replace the drive cage assembly and attach power and data connectors to the rear of the hard drive.